With Amy, she's live in Ashwaubenon with a bunch of tips on how to look like $1 million without spending $1 million, right?
So many great tips. I am learning so much. Good morning, you guys. I'm actually in Shopko in the cosmetics area. You know, for all you ladies who buy your makeup at the department stores, take a look at some of the drugstore cosmetics. They have come a long way. Amazing, amazing stuff. We've been teaching you all sorts of stuff, and we're going to teach you some more right now. Eden Carpenter is a makeup artist, international.
Hi.
Does models, does commercials.
Runway shows.
Yeah, I'm going to let you take it away. Tell us a little bit about Laura, our first model. That's
what we did
look.
was the J.Lo Glow. Everybody always wants to know how to get that perfect skin. Who knew? But it's the cheapest thing. You do not need to spend money on toner. You can go out and get witch hazel in this bottle. It was $3. So you just do a light spritz on the skin and look at how it gives that glowy finish. This makeup will stand all day.
And a lot of bronzer,
a lot of
natural colors on her.
A lot of bronzers. We did the mineral makeup, so it's nice and sheer and glowy, great for the summertime.
No heavy foundation, especially in the summer.
No heavy
you don't
foundation.
Want to do that.
No. We did the same mineral makeup on her. We did kind of a smokier eye, which is really good for the Angelina Jolie lip. Everybody loves that lip. All I'm going to do is put a little bit of a lip moisturizer. Now, don't get lip moisturizer confused with like a chapstick. They're not the same. This will not leave a greasy feeling. This is one of the greatest tips. We do this on runway shows if models have dry lips. You just take a little bit of a lash wand and lightly exfoliate, and that stimulates the lips itself.
So that's basically a mascara wand.
A mascara wand.
Okay.
Exactly. Take a tiny, tiny bit of concealer. When you're doing a nude lip, you really want to make sure that the skin doesn't look pink or red around it. You really want it to be more of a flesh color. So just take that all over the entire lip and rub for me. Blot together.
And really, so concealer on the lip.
Concealer on the lip. It'll keep it on longer. It's just awesome.
You know, you should think of that for under eye. Who knew it could go on the lip?
Oh, it's great on the lips. This lip is going to stay on her all day. Now, lip liner, ladies, lip liner. I've seen some mistakes in my day. Lip liner, the O is out. You've got to take the lip liner. I love this Revlon Long Stay. Amy's lipstick has been on all day.
All the products, or most of them we mentioned, by the way, we're going to put them on our website later today, so don't worry if you don't have a chance to write this all down. So just a really light liner, not like that dark, heavy liner.
No lipstick.
No lipstick,
ladies. No lipstick at all. And now we're going to put the lip plumper. These lip plumpers are awesome. They actually do inflate the lip. And this is Lip Inflation by Sally Hansen. Very inexpensive. And it is going to give her that final dewy, plump, glowy lip. They do tingle a little bit, but I got to tell you, ladies, it's worth it. You will have hot lips all day long.
And I've seen that lip plumper at salons. It's expensive. We couldn't believe we found it for like $5 here.
The nude lip, yeah. I can't believe the stuff that you can find at this store. The lip plumpers, if you go anywhere else, are $40. So $5, I'd save your money and get them here.
Let me see.
And so not a lot of color with the lips,
look
right?
For the summer.
Yeah, definitely not a lot of color, Rachel. It's just about the glisten. It's summer, you know. It's summer, you know. It's fresh and she's beautiful.
Yeah,
I
she
learned
looks great.
so much. Eden is not going anywhere, you guys. Tomorrow morning, she's going to answer your questions. She's in our studio, so email us today. Email us this morning, and we'll be all ready. We'll answer your questions. You know our email address. Do it today, and she'll be on the show, and she'll help you solve all your makeup issues.
Please send them in. Don't be scared.
Yeah, we've already received a few, so hopefully
Good.
we'll get a few more and answer those questions tomorrow.
Great.
Thanks, Amy.